Whether you travel for business or pleasure in the United States, a flight delay can ruin plans and spoil a vacation. Fortunately, the United States has a passenger bill of rights to protect passengers if something goes wrong. Oops, actually, no, we don't. Other countries do, but not us. What a surprise. So, what can you do if your flight is delayed? No. There are no federal laws in the United States requiring airlines to provide passengers with money or other compensation when their flight is delayed. Each airline has its own policies about what it will do for delayed passengers. If your flight is experiencing a long delay, ask airline staff if they will pay for meals or a hotel room. Some airlines will offer these amenities to passengers while others will not. Best to ask in a polite but firm manner. Airlines are required to provide passengers with information about a change in the status of the flight if the flight is scheduled to depart within 7 days. Airlines are required to give these status updates 30 minutes or sooner after the airline becomes aware of a status change. The flight status information must, at a minimum, be provided on the airline's website and via the airline's telephone reservation system. You may possibly switch to another airline if the flight is delayed. It is sometimes easier to make such arrangements by calling the airline directly or through their website or mobile app. Be sure you check, however, to see if there's a change fee if you do so. The last time this happened to me, my wife phoned the airline directly, and she was able to switch flights well before dozens of other passengers waited in line at the airline service desk at the airport. It's important to note that there are no federal regulations requiring airlines to put you on another airline's flight or reimburse you if you purchased a ticket on another airline. Also keep in mind that changing flights and airlines becomes far more difficult and time-consuming if you have already checked your bags. A refund due to a delay depends on several factors, such as the length of the delay, the length of the flight, and your particular circumstances. In some situations, you may be entitled to a refund, including a refund for all optional fees associated with the purchase of your ticket. The Department of Transportation has not specifically defined significant delay, of course, and the DOT determines whether you are entitled to a refund on a case-by-case basis. Remember, be persistent, follow up, and threaten to post comments on social media if you do not get any assistance or help from an airline following a delay in your flight. Good luck and safe travels. For more travel videos, please subscribe.